eyeballs makes me not be able to see.
We are going into the marina to do 2 loads of laundry. We're at Titusville.
See that patch right there?
Uh-huh.
They were in a dinghy dock and somebody had their motor up and
It swung around?
It swung around and punctured and sunk their boat.
Oh my goodness. Sunk this one?
Yeah.
There's a few of them around here, isn't there?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's a foldable one. That one there folds up.
Yeah.
Oh, look at this guy right here. That's tiny. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. You ready for me to hand you a few things?
I'm ready. Give it to me.
All right. Woohoo! Look at our bicycle covers we got. We're getting ready for company. We are going to let them have the master suite, and we are going to take the V-berth. So now I've got to make the V-berth beds while Ron's making the master. Except I've got to find the bed first.
We've been having problems with our engine ever since Hurricane Nicole, and you can hear a tap, 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 tap sound while it's running, and it's been stalling out at low RPMs. So knowing we were coming to Cocoa for a week, we contacted Mobile Marine and scheduled to have them come on board. So they just came on board and immediately found the problem. It was like that quick. And we got a hole in our exhaust manifold, so that's what's causing the tapping sound. They're going to go see if they can find us a replacement exhaust manifold and try to get us back up and running while we're here this week. Hopefully that'll happen. If not, we may have to turn around and come back here because we're supposed to be in Stewart for Christmas. We may have to come back here afterwards so that they can put that in, but hopefully that'll fix the problem. But at least we have the peace of mind of knowing that we don't have a catastrophic failure and that we can't run our engine until it's fixed. They said that for safety purposes we probably shouldn't be in the cabin while the engine's running, because that hole's letting the exhaust just come out into the cabin versus going out the exhaust. And so anyway, but progress, it's a good thing.
Come and take a walk with me, challenge your wildest dreams.
Maria and I were sitting having dinner, and suddenly she looks over my shoulder and says, "What's that light?" And I turn around and look, and they're doing a SpaceX launch. We weren't even aware they were doing a launch, and there we are watching it. So we just put down our forks and knives and just sat there and watched the show. You can see after it got to a certain height, the booster rocket separates from the main rocket. The booster's the one on the left, the main is on the right. And then the booster rocket returns back to Earth to be reused at a later time. It was so cool just to be able to sit there and watch a SpaceX launch while we were eating it. It was like paying for a dinner and a show.
Boats. Oh, been rushing. We are rushing to meet a bus. Where are we at? Vero Beach? We're at Vero Beach. And the boats, usually most of them are two of them to a mooring ball, which is quite interesting. We're running a little bit late to get to the bus. It comes by every hour. And we're coming up to the dinghy dock now. Looks like we might can squeeze in right there. Or is that the end of it? There's a spot. There's a spot right over there.
So Vero Beach has a really awesome bus system. It's free, you just get off and on. You transfer to another bus to go a different direction. And so anyway, we took the bus from the marina and ran into town, went to Home Depot and Publix, got some supplies. Now we're waiting for the bus to go back to the marina. And all for free.
So the community is specially designed for that purpose.
Yeah. Yes.
There's no such thing as an elegant dinghy entrance. So this is Jeff and Ruth behind us. They're from Canada and they're going to dinner with us.
We're off. And if it's a race, they're winning so far.
So far.
Where are they? There they are. We're rafted up to them. So Vero Beach City Marina, rafting is required. That's how many boaters come here. And we were told it's called Velcro Beach because a lot of people come here and just stay, probably because of the free bus system. And they got a lot of shops along the bus system.
Thanks for watching.